Hello friends, welcome to Abhi's Reviews. In this video, we are going to review GoTrippin Premium Universal Travel Adapter. The normal one we have already done the review last video. You can check in the video. Universal Travel Adapter. In this video, we will be reviewing Premium Universal Travel Adapter. Okay. What is the important change? You can see that earlier one was 2.1 ampere USB port. This is having 2.4 ampere USB ports actually. It will support fast charging. It is compatible more than 150 countries. Dual USB. International certifications are there for safety and other stuff. Premium build quality is there. It's a premium product. So you can feel the weight is significantly larger than the other one actually. You can see the different type C, type A, type 1 according to the countries. You have to select this kind of sockets are there actually. So I will unbox this thing and I will explain each and every part of this particular thing. So if you want to purchase this product, in the video description I have brought an offer price. From there you can access it actually. So here is the price is let's see the price 1499, but you will be getting it in a very less amount of price in from the video description option actually. So let's open it and see. So let's slowly open. Oh great, the packing is quite premium, that I have to say about that. Wow, there is a carry pouch is provided in this, that you can see that it's a GoTrippin branding, everything is provided. It looks premium and that is a really good thing. And if let's open it, zip quality is also good. Here is a cushioning material provided to protect this thing. Wow. Inside also, what are the things you will be getting inside this product? One thing is you have to register your product and the warranty card is there for the warranty. And inside that universal USB travel, there is a user manual is provided. From there you can see that how to use and all. So which is very useful thing. You should definitely read this thing. You can pause the video and read these things. Okay. There is a safe shutter and all those stuff they have provided. That is really good as per safety. So let's open and see how the product looks like. Wow. The quality is quite a premium stuff. You can touch and feel it, the fit and finish. Here is the plugging point. You can plug your appliances from India or any place because the universal socket they have given. And here is a sliding thing, and here is one more sliding thing. Okay. So let's see according to different countries how we will use it actually. So if you have to press it here, then you have to slide. Okay. So I think this is for the Europe. It is mentioned there. Wow. So you can see that Europe is mentioned there. Europe, most of the countries, you can use this thing actually. So if you want to retract, press it and push it back actually. So it will go back. That is really good. And another thing here, it is mentioned for US, Australia and China. So I have to press it down and you can see that you can for USA and China and all this thing. Here you have to press it and see. I think this is for the UK stuff actually. Yeah, UK is mentioned here actually. So overall, this is a great product. I think the premium finish and their safety features, and there are two USB ports which of 2.4 ampere. So you can charge your iPhone, iPad or any other Samsung, any devices you can easily charge actually. The weight is significantly higher. So if I quickly see the next version, which is little more cost effectively by GoTrippin, is this is a premium version. So even the weight is different. So many things are different according to that. I will be anyway making a comparison video, then you will understand very much actually. Okay, if you want to buy this thing, in the video description I have given an offer price. From there you can purchase this particular stuff actually. Okay, here you can see the input rating 100 to 250 volt is supported, power rating 660 watt maximum. At what are the different thing, and 6 ampere maximum. USB output 5 volt DC, 2500 mAh maximum. These are the things they have mentioned it. It is really good. I think you can definitely go for this thing. There's a patent for invention, I think they have mentioned there. I don't know much about that, but overall the product is quite premium. As you know, you will be going abroad for, if you are going for an international student, you will be staying for 2 to 3 years for the study period itself. So you need a premium thing actually. Don't worry about the initial amount you are putting, but it is in this premium product you are getting in a very less affordable cost, which I can say that actually. Okay. And once again, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubt regarding that, please comment on this particular thing. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.